Welcome to Decent Channel. We are honored to welcome high-quality clients from India. As a leading local OEM, the client specializes in industrial dryers, mixers, dust collectors, air heaters, conveyors, and various material handling processing equipment, enjoying a solid reputation in India's industrial equipment industry. For this official visit, the clients traveled a long way to our company to conduct on-site inspections. Decent Machinery received the client warmly. We first held in-depth communication and technical docking in the headquarters meeting room, then accompanied the clients to our factory to visit the production base and check our core dust removal equipment on site. The clients focused on our high-performance flat bag dust collectors compared with traditional round bag dust collectors. It has outstanding advantages. It features a compact and flat structure with smaller floor space and higher filter density, providing larger filtration areas, uniform airflow, thorough ash cleaning, lower operating resistance, and better energy efficiency. The side pull design also enables easy maintenance. Flat bag dust collectors have extremely high technical barriers, with very few manufacturers capable of independent mass production. Decent Machinery has mature production and customization technology with rare mass production capabilities. Impressed by our equipment performance and on-site service through intuitive on-site experience and sincere feedback, the clients highly praised our product quality, professional service, and strong manufacturing strength.
After visit our factory, how about your feeling of this?
So feeling of your company was really wonderful, and it was totally a different experience for me. It was totally a new experience for both of us, because we both have visited a lot of factories in India, but this is the first time we were visiting for other companies situated in some other country. So we decided to come to China because China is known for its advanced technology. So when I landed to China, it was very clear that I have to come here because already I have researched a lot about your company. So already you had a good presence over the internet, and you already have a lot of good data already cleared out very well on the internet. So when we came to your factory, we met you and we met Miss Ella. So you guys were really wonderful. You were very helpful. You helped us in each and everything, not just about explaining the machinery.
Thank you. So, will you recommend this to others?
Yeah, we highly recommend this thing to others because we physically went to the factory. We saw the quality of your machines. It was really good, and we also met with your engineers. They also have very good knowledge about the product, and I think that we should recommend your company to almost all our customers in India for the dust collector equipment.
Okay,
yeah.
Thank you.
Satisfied with everything they saw on site, the clients made a decision to place an order for our flat bag dust collectors. In addition to high-performance flat bag dust collectors, Decent Machinery provides a full range of customized dust removal and environmental protection equipment. Our product lineup includes round bag dust collectors, filter cartridge dust collectors, ESP electrostatic precipitators, and Venturi wet dust collectors. We support personalized customization for different industrial working conditions to meet the diverse dust purification needs of global clients.